lake, got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy, he got a God. Oh my God, boy, that boy on top. Sipping water, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah, my love, my thigh. Yo, let it go.
It's a crooked H in the back. Let me just... Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, and if you're OG, what's up? If you didn't know, I am moving out. I'm going to college and I basically have an apartment there, so I have to get ready for all of that because a lot more to take care of compared to my little dorm, my little jail box. You guys along for me. I'm gonna go to Target right now and just buy some few things. Honestly, my last video started zooming. Like, I was a little surprised. That was like the first video of my back to school series, my supply shopping video. So yeah, thank you guys so much. It's gonna be a very exciting few months coming up because I have so much content planned. Yeah, I definitely did not expect that video to like be received so well. Literally got like 5,000 views in 2 days. The pressure is getting worse. But anyways, it ain't about the views at the end of the day. Though I definitely appreciate all the support. It is what it is. It's never been about the views for me. It's why I've been doing it for so long, even though nobody be watching. But yeah, so I'm about to head off to Target right now by myself. Gotta get things done. Moving out at 18T. I mean, it's technically moving out. Once I go back, it's like I'm not really gonna be coming home on weekends when I have a whole apartment, a kitchen, a bathroom up there. I do have a roommate, my cousin. Y'all probably seen her before. I don't want the apartment to look bare, you know, but also I'm not gonna do too much, you know, like, you know, if you're new here, welcome to the fam because you're gonna be subscribed by the end of the video. I hate calling Ubers to go places. Like, it's just like, bro, but I'm not catching no bus. Call you guys back once my Uber outside. Let me charge these batteries. Y'all like the fit though? You like my chain, you know, the razor, the rings? Ah, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Who is she? The sun is out, so we like that. We love that. Hello.
Are you on your way?
The sun is out. It looks so good.
Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place.
Yeah. Me out the comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some context.
Alright, man. I wish I had my other tripod because this angle is so bad.
Concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom said.
My camera better not die on me. I'm gonna be so good. Last time I camera with my brothers, it's just so awkward filming by yourself. Let's get the bill. This looks very promising. Focus, 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 focus. Once again, I come prepared. I always bring a list on my phone. I don't even play like that. The things I really want to get here is just like candles, cotton towel, and a rug. Like, I don't know the size of the bed, so I'm not gonna get some bed sheets now. See, that's $20 for a fake plant. Don't piss me off. Maybe the real.
We do whatever we want, go wherever we want.
Oh, these string lights look cute. 21 lights hung up in my room, you know what I'm saying? Like, we want to have Hob to be there. Ooh, a sanitizing lamp. That's different. That's unique. I ain't getting it though, but okay, so yeah, we're gonna get these string lights because these look really cute. I always get some type of lighting in my room. I feel like LED lights are like very like played out, so I'm not getting those, but these look cute. I want some that can hang up some Polaroids. I have a bunch of Polaroids in my room, but honestly I could buy clips and do that separately. So if this is $5 like it says on here, we're gonna get this. I love me a bargain price. Love me a bargain price. The lights, yeah, this looks like it's it. We're gonna get this.
Yeah.
Cute little painting. I always like motivational stuff in my room and stuff. I just think it's cute. She'd be like, oh no, I don't like it. I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna be mad because girl, what you, it's definitely gonna be bigger than our door, first of all. So like this will probably just be in my room. Cute little current. Make coffee and stuff. Oh, this is my song. What do you know about this? I was looking for a new drawer thing. I hate clear drawers. It just makes everybody can be in your business. Like a little tip, y'all. Do not get clear drawers. The cart empty. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. This doesn't look too bad. Oh, they taped it up on the sides. Ooh, this is nice. This is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, we don't want the cheesy thumbnail. We don't. Oh, you know what I'm doing? Let's download that Target app. So if there's any discount I can get. Target has 20% off for college students. Like I told y'all, what I say? Yeah, that is great, honestly. Thank you, Target. Target just wants me at this point, because like we can work together, we can work something out. Like
You make me so
it's one.
a baddie gon' get what she like. So what's your sign, cause I like you. Got a place we can stay for the night, but I'm too shy to invite you. You got a gangsta vibe, and I want a gangsta boo.
I really don't see the need to like hang up my shoes.
Gangsta move, you never worry.
And if it's a good price, you got.
My body, I'm the bestest.
I feel like Mr. Krabs right now.
My necklace.
Yeah, we're gonna go check on the little thingy that they have to see the price. This is too high. I think I can get the thumbnail from here.
Whatever it is, praise it, never hits you.
It's going really good so far, actually, so I'm happy about that. Okay, these are $12.80, but we're supposed to get this for the $19. Yeah, this is way more space. I'm tripping. Now the key is when it comes to laundry baskets, get a rollable laundry basket. That's definitely what I want. I've been literally feeding for one of these drawers for the longest time, so I'm so happy I got one. This is cool because it's on wheels. I actually definitely need a new laundry basket. The one I got literally broke at college. I don't even know how, it just did. I like my laundry basket to have like a lid on it, and I also want it to be rollable. Like I cannot compromise on that. I need a rollable John. So yeah, we're not gonna get it here. I don't think Target has one, and there's no point wasting money. These bowls 50 cents. I'm gonna get a couple. Ooh, gray, my favorite color. I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna have a meal plan. I'm gonna get a couple cups though, because you never know if you have guests over or something. Like, you might want to throw a little party. Oh, these cups small. And these go in the microwave? Oh, alright. It didn't go in the microwave. I was gonna be sweaty. Right now, I'm trying to look for decorated piece. Oh, this lighting right here is cute. My camera is about to die. Like, are you kidding me, bro? I switched to my phone real quick because I want to save my battery. Camera is always about to die when I need it the most. I swear, literally only when I need it the most. It's a little embarrassing. I didn't want to spend too much, you know, this part one. You know, spend like the right amount to get it going. Because it's a whole apartment. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a whole apartment. Black people, yo, like, it's a whole apartment. What? It's a half an apartment. Oh, these are super cute, like makeup mirrors. But I want one with some lights on it. It's already did mine. I always wanted something like this. Like, I think this is so cute. I am heading down. Hopefully they let me use my 20% off that I have on my app. That'll be so thorough. But I didn't do too much damage. I think everything I got was like really useful. So I'm excited for you guys.
Got a piece and got a dance, but it's really on some street. I'ma show you how to get it right.
Not having a car is ghetto. This is why I need to get on my girl, okay? Because what? I'm sitting out here waiting for my Uber. They keep extending the wait time. It's dark outside. Your girl is scared. It's like, ain't nobody gonna take me. Big dog. I keep trying to wait for them to be quiet, but they're not being quiet. So let me film this haul real quick and show y'all what I got from that last trip. That was a few days ago, but I just been working, like, I've been working, so I haven't had time to sit down and film the haul. It's not even that much yet. You know, it's part one, not too much. Okay, I got some shirts from Target. It did not look cute on me at all. Like, I got this black top crop, but it's like I have so many of the same item in my closet. I don't know why I spent money on it. I'm literally not gonna wear it. But yeah, then I just got this green one as well. Like, girl, what? Not even what we came there for. Then I got this clock. I'm always looking on my phone, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to have this up in my room and then look up wherever my bed is gonna be. This is gonna be in my face. And that was $5. I love like the little Room Essentials brand. Then I got these string lights, and I'm just gonna add some clips so I can put up my Polaroids. I have a Polaroid camera up there somewhere. It's sort of, I think it's broke somehow. I think it broke. I don't know how. It'll just be happening. I listened to the SZA album again, and like, she really snapped. Like, now that I listen to it, that album had no misses. Like, for real, No misses. SZA is golden. Anyways, I got 4 of these black bowls. If y'all didn't go there for the bowls, I definitely recommend. They're literally 50 cents. And they're microwavable. Okay, we don't even play that. I'm just so happy. I love black. I'm just like, I'm not getting too many bowls because then I'm gonna be inspired to like let the dishes rack up. When you don't have that many, you're forced to wash them. So 4 is gonna be good. I don't have friends. I'm lying, but nobody's gonna be over in my crib. And then my camera's about to die. So then the last thing I got were these. And that is literally it for the haul, y'all. And I got my little drawer thing y'all saw. One thing about me, my cameras are gonna die. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. And make sure to subscribe on your way out and stay tuned for more videos. I'm so excited for this new journey. Like, you know, I'm in my consistent bag this summer, okay? Like, I just really had to sit down and talk to myself and be like, oh, get on the grind. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at trulyhaja, along with my Twitter and my TikTok to stay updated with me outside of YouTube, you know. But that's it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?